This is a very brief overview of the first research paper, but I want you to be able to read the document, which is in the left-hand column under reports and presentations, to understand that there's a difference between paper one. You're going to only be using library research, and in academic ease, that's called secondary research, to justify why you want to research an issue. Paper two is when you're going to do face-to-face interviews or focus group or online survey. Okay, so I have a document, a chart defining paper one and paper two. Right now, you should know you're going to use a very common business tool: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. And here are all the things that you as a student want to know. All the support information is there. I have created 8 folders with 20 how-to videos. I want to focus for career enhancement, going back to our alignment diagram, and your development of higher level business skills, which are here: applying, analyzing, evaluating, and creating. And I kind of give you an example there. You can read it for yourself. But this is to enhance your career opportunities in the job search and beyond. I have the requirements here. I tell you here what a SWOT analysis is. There are tons of tools on Google. Strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats, what can help you achieve, what can stop you from achieving. I do want you to have a meeting and collaborate, a digital tool, which is here in Blackboard. You will sign up for your teams on the left-hand menu. It will have, I'm sorry, I took the names out of last semester. The names of your group members. There's where you would access collaborate. Here's how you could exchange your documents. I would encourage you to use Google Docs. You won't have that in business, but it serves the purpose. I am suggesting you have your first team meeting this week. I am suggesting an agenda. And I'd like one person to submit to me what's going on. I here give you the 8 sections of the paper. I define each section in detail. I tell you the points. The library, which you will learn, has set up a support page for you. You'll learn from Claire. You go to the library, click here, click here, click here, blah. You have so much help. There should be no problem on APA because I have given you an example of how you're going to cite it, because everybody's going to get the articles from online sources. I know. Alrighty, looking forward to see you tomorrow and joining with you with Claire Dickerson. She's a great person and a very engaging presenter.